Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to give you a first look at some Ringke cases for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this first look / review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases. I want to do a first look for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This time I grabbed two cases from Ringke, and I just want to give y'all a first look at it / review. We're just going to look at and see how the case fits on this phone. We'll check out, lip protection, camera protection. Can't do a full review on it because this is a dummy unit, so I can't check out if the pen will work. Can't check out wireless charging, but you should get a good idea on how the phone will fit in the case and what type of protection you should get. As I promised in the other video, yes, I will come back to these cases to check out everything as far as the pen goes. Can you wireless charge? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I need to give a shout out to Ringke for sending me out a review kit. They sent me out these cases plus some more. So big shout out to them. They actually gave me a code for 15% off of the cases. So look in the description. I will have that in the description below. So that way, if you want to pick up the cases before you even get the phone, you can definitely do so. But let's get into it. They sent me out the Fusion X in camo black, and then also the Fusion X in black. Bam. You get the normal packaging from Ringke. It says live a better day, eco packaging. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. Go visit Ringke.com. But like I said before, I like how they have the packaging because you can reuse it. If you like me, I like to switch out my cases a lot. So you get a lot of different instructions in here. We don't read that. So you do have plastic on the inside. So let me take this off really quick. All right, so I was able to remove the plastic from there. But I do like the camo. I do like that. That's one of my favorite cases. Now in the overall fit, you can see the camera cutouts there. It is precise for each lens. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You also get lip protection from the top and the bottom. The power button is ridged, so that is great. And then the volume up has little buttons on there too, so you can tell which button you press. And the buttons feel pretty good. I mean, the dummy has buttons, but we'll definitely test that out more when I get the case in there. Does it add bulk to your phone? It's not bulky at all. You can see there, everything lines up. You should have enough room in the pen to get out. We'll test that even more too. But this is the camo black. So if you have the black one, or I think it's black titanium, whatever they're calling it, you will definitely, show off the beauty, but hide some of the fingerprints too. I like the grip. They have like this, that extra material on the side, so it gives you some grip too. And then you can see the corner protections from all four of it. So again, if you're dropping it, it's going to land on that corner and protect your phone too. So here is the, camo black. Let's check out the other case too. And then overall fit too. Not bad at all. It comes back too, and then trying to get it off. Yeah, I mean, it takes a lot to get that off too. So we'll test that out more too when I get the true phone. But this gives you a first look at it. Let's check out the black one. Give me a minute to get that open. So here is the Fusion X black. That one's going to show off the beauty of your phone. So whatever color you got, this one is going to show off the beauty a lot more. But you get the same camera cutout. I do like how they have that precise cutout there. I really do. Again, everything lines up. It looks like you shouldn't have no problem with getting the pen out. You get the same type of lip protection too. You have the same you know, sides there with grip. Same protection. I mean, pretty much it's the same case, but they call this one the black one because the sides are black. You can pick up different colors. I will have the links in the description. But which one was your favorite? Do you like this clear one that's going to show off the beauty? Or do you like the camo? I like the camo one more, but that's just me. Y'all let me know in the description. So here you go, the camo. Or do you like the clear back? Do you like to show off the beauty of your phone when you're taking a picture or just holding it? Y'all let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, more case videos, camera tests, unboxings, everything that you look for when you want to pick up a phone. Also follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.